Okay, my dear children, I'm back with your grammar class. In your previous class, I discussed about the articles a and an. Today, I'm going to discuss about the article the. Okay, about the. Today, I'm going to discuss about the article the. Okay, so where you will put the. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about the article the. So a and an you know where to put. Okay, that is indefinite article. And when I talk about the definite articles, means what? You point out to something. A means anything you can. It is in common. Okay, and it depends on the vowel and the consonant words. The word is starting with either a vowel or a consonant. Then you use a or an. And some exceptions are also there that I discussed in your previous class. And I think so all of you did the homework also and you got the assignment also. And today I am going to do with the, where to use the. So now all of my children, if you are having the book with you, okay, open to page number 89. So open your book to page number 89. Okay, then see, when you point out something, when a person is running, you point, that man is running. Okay, the man is running. You will not say a man is running. The man is running. A man is running. Any of the man can run over there. But when you point out the man is running, that means you are pointing out to a particular person. Then you use it the. So it is a definite article. That is why the is called the definite article. Then we use the when a thing is only of its kind. The sun. Only the sun. You don't find two suns over there. Okay? One sun. That is why you call it's the sun. Then the east, the direction the east. The moon. The sky. The earth. Then the directions the north, the west, the east, the south. Okay? So these are only one. You can't find it two. So for this reason, you tell it the. You point it out because it is in particular. It is a definite article. That is why you use the over there. The definite article the you use over there. Then the is always used with the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, seas, famous buildings, nations and holy books. Okay, that also you use the Bible, the Gita, okay, the Quran, that the. Then the Vindhyas range, the mountain when you call the Alps, the Himalayas, the river when you talk about the river, the Ganges, okay. Then the Nile, the Yamuna. So these are all when you talk about, these are only one and they are, you point it to that places and so it is called the. You put a the in front of those, like the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Alps, the Everest, all this you put the. Then the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Black Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Yellow Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, Gol Gumbaz, the Qutub Minar, the UK, the USA. Here you see, you don't write the India, you write the USA and the United Kingdom, because here many countries together forms this. Okay, that is why it is called the USA and the United Kingdom. Then the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. All this you use a the. Okay, the is sometimes used to indicate a class or kind of anything. The camel is the sheep of the desert. Okay, so the camel, you are denoting the camel over here as it is called the sheep of the desert. Other things are not called the sheep of the desert. Only the camel is called the sheep of the desert. You are pointing to the camel, so it is called. So you put a the over there. Okay. Then the lion is the king of animals. So when you are pointing out to the king of animals, the king is always one. So then you point out and you tell it is the lion. Okay. The lion is the king of animals. Then when we introduce a person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when we speak about that person or thing, again we use the. Suppose a lion and a rat were good friends. You are introducing it for the first time. The two animals or two persons, the rat and or a cat were two very good friends. A rat and cat can never be friends. I am very sorry. A lion and a rat were good friends. Very good. But when you are talking about that lion and that rat, then you use the. Okay. in the second you use the rat helped the lion. It is given in your book 1. You will do it yourself. So the rat helped the lion. So first you are using a lion and a rat were good friends. But when you are talking next about those fellows, when we tell the rat helped the lion, not a rat helped a lion. Then it comes in particular. You're pointing out, then it becomes the rat helped the lion. Okay. Then, give me a pen. It may be any pen. But when we are talking about, you're pointing out to the pen, then see, give me the pen lying on that table. So the pen which is lying on that table, that you're pointing out the particular pen, then we don't say a pen, we say the pen. But when we give me a pen, it can be any pen. Okay, but when we are pointing out to a definite pen, that particular pen lying on the table, then we use the pen. There the pen will not be, give me a pen lying on the table. No, give me the pen lying on the table. Okay, because you are pointing out to a particular pen. Then sharpen a pencil for me. Sharpen a pencil for me, it can be any pencil, so it is a. But when you are pointing out to a pencil, see, sharpen the pencil in my pencil box. So in your pencil box, one particular pencil is there that you have to sharpen. Then here before the pencil you will write the, because it is defining, it is pointing out to a particular pencil. It is a definite article you will use over there, that is the. Okay. Then I have a necklace. The necklace is made of gold. So first when you talk about the necklace, it is a necklace. It can be any necklace. But as soon as you are going the sentence twice for the necklace, then you are pointing out to the particular necklace. Then that a necklace becomes the necklace in the second sentence. I bought a watch. The watch tells accurate time. So first you see, I bought a watch. Any watch you can buy. But as soon as you buy the watch, that watch becomes a particular watch that you have bought. Then when you talk about that watch, it becomes the watch. The watch tells accurate time. Then in front, always remember this thing, my dear students, if you are telling someone's name, suppose in the book it is given Kumud, Rita, Sita, Gita, whatever name is there, Ram, Lakshman, whatever name is there. So in front of there you will not write the Sita, the Ram, the Rita, the Gita, you will not write that. In front of a person you will not use the. The Rita is a good girl. No, it's wrong English. Rita is a good girl. You will not use the in front of any person's name. Okay. So, and here you see the sentences which are given over here. Sumitra has an elder brother. Look at the picture, because it is a particular picture which I am pointing out. Okay. Amit is studying in a university in Australia. Why a university? You know, before a university you will not use an, you will use a, because a university in Australia. Why? Because there may be a lot of universities are there in Australia. He may be studying in any one of the universities. So it is a university in Australia. An aeroplane is a flying machine. Aeroplane is a flying machine. There are many flying machines. It can be a helicopter also. Among them, an helicopter is a flying machine. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The sun rises. See, sun, the particular. So it's a definite article. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. I told you east, west, north, south, sun, moon. You have to use the, because it stands for only one. An honest man speaks the truth. And many people in the world speak English. World is only one. So particular. So the. I saw a dog playing in the street. An umbrella is a useful thing. In front of useful you will use a, not an, because it pronounced like Y. For that reason you will use a. Akbar was a great king. Now Akbar was a great king, but when you talk about Akbar in the next sentence, that a turns to the. An elephant is a huge animal. Sri Lanka is an island. A year ago I met a European wearing an Indian dress. A European, why? Because European in front of European it will be always A, even though European is starting with a vowel word E. The Ganges is a holy river. The Ganges, the, because Ganges you are pointing out to the river. Ganges. The earth goes round the sun. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. A lion and a rat were good friends. The rat helped the lion. So first we are talking about then those people are being pointed out as the, because you are pointing out to those persons who now you know they are definite. Okay. Charu purchased an umbrella. So any umbrella Charu can purchase, but when as soon as the umbrella is purchased, it becomes a definite one. So you write the umbrella is colorful when you write the next sentence about the umbrella. So these are the things which you use, these rules when you use the. So you should keep in mind. So this page will be your homework, page number 91. Okay, exercise homework page 91. Okay, do this exercise in your grammar copy and submit in the school on Monday. Okay, submit in the school on Monday. Only this Monday means 25th you will submit the copy, and the assignment also on 25th I'll give you. The persons who is not finding it possible to come and submit in the school, it may happen like this. So, and it is for everyone, not for those, it is for everyone. On Monday you will get the full assignment. I'll send it to you, because Monday you are having the English 1 class with me also, and I'll send the whole assignment to you. Okay, my dear children. So until then, bye bye. Prepare your lessons, read properly, because your second term is just knocking the door. Okay, bye children.